Good morning, 5th class children. We are discussing about metric measures now. In that, length is completed. Now today let us learn about weight, children. You have already learned in the previous classes how to measure the weights. Commonly used measures for weights. What are those? Kilograms, grams, milligrams. Let us look here, children. Kilograms. Short form is kg. It is used to measure medium weights. It is used to measure medium weights. Gram. Gram short form is G. This is the basic unit of weight. This is used to measure lesser weights. Milligram. Mg. Short form Mg. Lesser than a gram. Milligram is lesser than a gram. Now it is used to measure lesser, very lesser weights. Okay. Next, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. These are the fixed measurements. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 quintal. Quintal is equal to 100 kgs. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs. So if 1000 kgs means 1 ton. 100 kgs means 1 quintal. 1000 grams 1 kg. 1000 milligrams 1 gram. Okay, children. Let us see the book, your course book, children. Let us see your course book, children, page number 35. Weight. You have already learnt about commonly used units to measure weight, such as milligram, gram and kilogram. All these are standard units of weight. Let us recall the concept of measuring weight. Estimate the weights of these objects. So estimate, children, how much weight are these? The car. How much weight? 500 kgs maybe. Chocolate 50 grams. Sweet 1 kg. Grapes 100 grams. What are these? Sweet. This one also sweet. So 500 grams. Like that. Remember that the unit used to measure depends on the weight of the object that has to be measured. The unit of the measure is depends on the weight of the object. We use kilogram. We use kilogram. Kilogram means kg. Short form kg. We use kgs more than a gram to measure medium weights. We use gram. Short form G. The basic unit of weight. Grams are the basic units of weight to measure lesser weights. We use milligram. Mg. That is less than a gram to measure very less weights. Let us see more units to measure weights and the relationship between these units. 1 ton is equal to 100 kgs. First of all, 1 kg means how many grams? 1000 grams. Now, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams and 1 quintal equal to 100 kgs. This all already you have learned in the previous class, children. Let us look the next page. Let us see how we use these weights in our daily life. Look at this example. Sudeep's mother. She is Sudeep's mother. Is making a cake for New Year celebrations. She is making a cake for New Year celebrations. For a 3 kg cake, she needs the following ingredients. She want to make a 3 kg cake. Maida 1 kg, sugar 1 kg, butter 1 kg. Baking powder 30 milligrams. Mg means milligrams. If she has to make a 6 kg cake, how much quantity of each ingredient is required? These are the 3 kgs cake ingredients. If she want to make 6 kgs cake, how much quantity of each ingredient is required? So 3 2s are 6. So here cake is the cake quantity is double in this time. So here the ingredients also double. Look here, the given ingredients are sufficient for a 3 kg cake. If she has to make 6 kg cake, the weight of each ingredient should be doubled. In such case, the quantity of each ingredient she need would be maida. She want 1 kg for 3 kgs cake, but here he want to make 6 kg cake. So here double. 1 into 2, 2 kgs. Sugar also 2 kgs. Butter 2 kgs. And baking powder 30 milligrams into 2, 60 milligrams. Okay, let us see the next one. If she has to make a 9 kg cake, if she want to make a 9 kg cake, how much quantity of each ingredient is required? So 3 kgs cake is changed to 9 kgs. So how many times it increased? 3 times. So the ingredients also increases 3 times. To make a 9 kg cake, she needs 3 times of each item. In such case, the quantity of each ingredient she needs is 3 kg of maida, 3 kg of sugar, 3 kg of butter and 90 milligrams of baking powder. Next, Sudeep's neighbor also has decided to make a 9 kg cake. The neighbor has 2 kgs 500 grams of maida, 1 kg 500 grams of sugar, 2 kgs of butter and 50 milligrams of baking powder. How much more quantity of each item will Sudeep's neighbor need to make a 9 kg cake? First of all, if you want to make a 9 kgs cake, you need 3 kgs of maida, 3 kgs of sugar, 3 kgs of butter and 90 milligrams of baking powder. But they have 2 kg 50 grams, 1 kg 500 grams, 500 grams. Next 2 kgs of butter and 50 milligrams of baking powder. If you subtract those, then you will get the how much quantity will need, you will get. So 3 kgs means 3000 grams. 2 kgs 500 grams means 2500 grams. So 3000 minus 2500, 500 grams. 500 grams means half kg. Next 3 kgs minus 1 kg 500 grams. So 3 kgs means 3000 grams minus 1500 grams. Remaining 1500 grams means 1 kg 500 grams means 1.5 kg. 1 kg, half kg, 1.5 kg. 3 kgs minus 2 kgs, 1 kg. 90 milligrams minus 50 milligrams, 40 milligrams. Okay children, now come to the next page. Estimate the weights of the following objects. Then actually see their original weights and check your estimation. So here are some objects children. So you have to estimate the weights and also check the actual weight also. Okay. So boost packet. Estimate how much weight it should be. Maybe 900 grams. Next, MTR rasam powder 200 grams. JD Gold maida 500 grams. Corn chips 50 grams. So here actual weight. You will observe children in your house, take a boost boost pack and rasam powder pack, maida and corn chips. Measure the actual weights here. And here is a word problem, children. Let us read. Renu went to a gold shop with her parents. They bought a ring for her. Each gram gold costs 2800 rupees. So 1 gram gold cost how much? 2800 rupees. The weight of the ring was 3 grams 400 milligrams. What is the weight of the ring? 3 grams 400 milligrams. How much should they pay for the ring if 50 rupees are the making charges for each gram of gold? Look here, children. First, cost of each gram of gold how much? Rupees 2800. So, making charges for each gram 50 rupees. Total 2800 plus 50. 2850. Now, what is the weight of the ring? 3 grams 400 milligrams. The cost of the ring is equal to 3 grams 400 milligrams into the cost of each gram. Cost of each gram 2850. So 3 grams plus 400 milligrams into 2850. 3 grams plus, so change milligrams into grams. So 400 divided by 1000. 3 into 2850 plus 4 by 10 means here 2 zeros get cancelled. 4 divided by 10 into 2850. So 3 into 2850 how much? 8550 plus this one 4 divided by 10 into 2850. Here 0 get cancelled. Now multiply 285 into 4. Then you will get 1140. So the total cost is 9690. Let us see the next page. A dry fruit seller bought 150 kg of cashew nuts, 70 kg of raisins and 80 kg of almonds from the wholesale market. Answer the following questions based on these informations. A dry fruit seller bought how many kgs of cashew nuts? 150 kg. And how many kg of raisins? 70 kg. How many kgs of almond? 80 kg. Now read the first question. If he packs all the cashew nuts into 50 grams packets, how many packets will he have? So he have 150 kg of cashew nuts and he want to make 500 gram packets. So look the steps, children, here. Total weight of cashew nuts. Bought how many? 150 kg. 150 into change kgs into grams. 1000. So 1,50,000 grams. Quantity of cashew nuts in each packet 500 grams. So number of packets, divide this number and this number. Then you will get answer. So look here. 1,50,000 divided by 500. Look here, 2 zeros get cancelled. 5 table cancellation. 5 3s are 15. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So 300 packets. Next one. If he packs 30 kg raisins in 250 grams packets and 40 kg in 500 grams packets, how many packets of each quantity will he have? So he have totally 70 kg of raisins. So in this he want to make 30 kg of raisins into 250 gram packets and 40 kg of raisins into 500 gram packets. So first change 30 kgs into grams. 30,000 grams. So 30,000 grams divided by 250 grams. 30,000 divided by 250. 0 0 will get cancelled. In 5 table cancellation. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. Remaining 2 zeros are there. Again 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 10. 5 2s are 10. 0. 120. So number of packets he make 120 packets. Next, weight of raisins 40 kgs. Change into grams, 40,000 grams. And quantity of raisins in each packet. He want to make half kg packets, means 500 gram packets. So 40,000 divided by 500. 2 zeros will get cancelled. Now cancellation with 5 table. 5 1s, 5 8s are 40 and 0. So he made 80 packets. 80 packets of 500 gram raisins. Let us look the next one. If he makes 500 gram packets with half the quantity of almonds and 1 kg packets with the remaining half, how many packets of each quantity will he have? So first of all, what is the total weight of almonds? She bought 80 kgs. So 80 kgs, in 80 kgs, what is the half of the amount? 40 kgs. So in 40 kgs, he want to make 500 gram packets and the remaining 40 kgs he want to make 1 kg packets. So 40 kgs means 400 grams. 400 divided, 40,000 grams. 40,000 divided by 500 means 2 zeros get cancelled. Cancellation with 5 table. 5 1s are, 5 8s are 40 and 0. 80 kgs. Okay. Since he wants to pack the remaining half like 1 kg packet. So 40 kgs means 40,000 grams and 1 kg means 1000 grams. Okay. 3 zeros will get cancelled. The remaining 40 packets he will make 1 kg packets. Otherwise 40 kgs divided by 1 kg means 40 kgs packets. The 1 kg packets are 40 packets. Okay children, the remaining explanation we will continue in the next video children.